558. Route 558 was a Victoria Rail replacement running from Seven Sisters to Chingford Mount. It was operated from Metroline from President Plantix from Cricketwood Bus Garage. The reason why 558 goes from Chingford Mount to Seven Sisters is because the Victoria line was closed in August 2015, but on December 2016, Route 558 got closed since the Victoria line was still open on this date. No one knows about 558 and is still running on service on this day in 2017. Rest in peace 558, 2015 to 2016.